Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to make some modifications in the login.go file. So as you can see here that I'm present in the login.go file, and inside this file, this is the login cmd command. And what I will do, basically there are two sections that are present in it. So the first section is for the sign up or the user or the admin that will basically first of all sign up, and the second section is the member. Alright, so I'm going to separate these two sections and I'm going to put them into different functions. So let's what you can say, let's first of all take this member login token from here and paste it down here like this. All right, so after that, once I have done this, what I will do, I will take this if statement from here. All right, once it is taken, I will put it down here like this. All right, so now let's write another if statement, and that would be user if user login email and then the login password, and after that user member login login email and the login password. So basically what it does, I will make two functions. The first one will be the user login, the second one will be the member login, and these two functions will require two credentials like the email and the password. Based on these credentials, they will be able to log in. Alright, so let's write if they are logged in, then what I will do, I will paste what you can see, this command, this print statement that is written that you are successfully logged in. And after that, if they are not working, then what I will do, I will write a print line like errors new invalid email or password like this. Alright, so if any one of this function is working, then it will give me the message that you are successfully logged in. But if none of them are working, then it will give me this message that invalid email or password. So you need to give the proper email address or the proper password. So after that, I will remove this if statement from here. Basically it shows us that if the length of login token is equal to 0, alright, and the length of member login token is equal to 0, then in that case it should run these commands. But here you can see here that I have run these commands that if the login token and the member login token length is not equal to 0, means it is filled with some kind of data, then it will show me this message that hey, you are already logged in. But the else statement will be the same. So I will remove this from here, and these commands will be executed as an else statement. All right, so let's remove it from here like this and from here. So what do I mean by this? Basically, as you can see that if the member login token or the user or the login token is not equal to 0, means if it is filled with some kind of data, then it will show me that hey, you are already logged in, so you need to make these login token empty. So these commands will be executed as the else statement. So the else statement will be like the login token and the member login token is empty. So this is how it will work. So the if statement, I have written that they should be filled with some kind of data, and in that case it will give me the message that they are already logged in. But in the else statement, they will work that these login tokens are empty, so they should work fine, and they should allow us to log in. All right, so now let's write what you can say, a function. Let's make a function here. First of all, let's copy these things because I don't need them, and I will put it in another function. So let's copy them from here. All right, like this. So once they are copied, I will make a function by the name of what you can say, function user login, and let's write email and the password, and they will be string, and after that let's write the boolean value like this. Paste the commands here, and let's copy this command of the member. So I'm going to use it in another function. So let's copy it here, and now it will work fine. And after that, let's make another function, and that function would be member login like this. Member login email and the password, and then the string value, return the boolean, and paste the member commands here. Alright, so this is the user login commands, this is the member login command, and after that I have called them here. As you can see here that these commands are called, so basically they will be executed, and if they are logged in, then it will give me this message. If they are not, then it will give me this message. So now let's improve this. Basically I have some errors present in it. As you can see that this is the email and password, so I'm going to change this login email. So instead of writing login email, I will write only email. Alright, like this, email. And after that, let's change the password. So I will change the login password to just password, like this. Alright, similar process will be repeated, but before this, let's remove this what you can say, this print statement, because I don't need it. Let's remove the else statement, and after that let's write let's remove this and write, or what you can say, let's remove write return true, and after that let's write return false. Alright, so if the account is verified and the account is logged in, then it will return the true statement, otherwise it will return the false statement. Alright, after that let's write login email. Instead of writing login email, I will write only the email address, like this, and the password that it is giving me an error, so I will remove the login password to only password, like this. Let's what you can say, like this. Alright, so now let's remove this message here because it is repeated multiple times, so I will remove this. And let's remove this else statement also, because I don't need it, because I have used this else statement here. As you can see here, this is the else statement, invalid email or password, so I don't need to use this multiple times. So let's remove this from here, and after that, once it is done, what I will do, I will return true, like this, true, and let's write return false, like this. Alright, so now it will work fine. So basically this will contain member credentials and allow us to log in as a member, and this will allow us to log in as a user or the sign up user. Alright, so basically this was the point that I was talking, that if the login token or the member login token is not empty, if it is filled with some kind of data, then it will show me this message, otherwise it will run this command. Alright, so in both of the cases, either it will first of all check this, if it is checked, then it will move to this command. Alright, let's save this. Alright, and now let's write go install proctl status. Vanes is logged in. So what I will do, I will first of all write, as you can see that I have nothing present in the member section. I have deleted this. So what I will do, as you can see that the member table does not exist. So now let's write invite mem. Let's write first of all what you can say, email address Kaifa, like this, and then the only the email address to invite it. Alright, so you have successfully invited a member. So now let's write this is the email address, sorry, so now this member is invited. So now let's copy this verification code from here. Once it is copied, I will write proctl logout, and after that I will check it. Let's write proctl check the email address, alright, so let's push the email address, verification code. Now I am verified as a member, and after that let's write set mem. The email address is going to be, let's say, Kaifa, and the password is going to be 1122, and the account name is going to be Kaifa, like this. So now the member credentials are updated. If I show you, as you can see that the Kaifa is logged in. Alright, so now let's log out, and once I'm logged out, what I will do, I will invite another member, or what you can say, invite it like invite mem, and then the email address, another email address like this one. And now first login in order to log out. So let's write login Wayne's tree. Now you can see invalid email or password because I have not entered the password, so I will write 1122. So now you are successfully logged in. Alright, Wayne's is logged in. So now let's write the command to invite this email address. Alright, invite mem. So it will take me some time, so let's write this email address, open this email address. And now as you can see that this is the email address that is invited now. So let's copy this. After that, let's log out because I need to check it. And after that, let's write check email address. Gmail address, and let's put the verification code. Your account is successfully verified. So now let's write set mem, or what you can say, just change this command instead of writing the whole email address, set mem, and then the password. So the password could be like 2233, and the account name is Bilal Khan, like this. The member credentials are updated. So if I show you, as you can see that the Bilal Khan is logged in. Similarly, if I log out again, you will see that I'm logged out, and if this time if I show you proctl status, you will see that the user is logged out. After that, if I want to log in as a member, like the not Bilal Khan recovered, instead I will want to log in as another member. What I will do, I will write the email address, and the email address will be Kaifa, this like this, and put the password 1122. So now I'm logged in as a Kaifa user. So if I show you, this is the Kaifa user that I'm logged in. Alright, so this is how it will work, and you can log in different users. Let's say I have created 2 members, and I can log in multiple members. Alright, so I can log in as multiple members. So if I want to, I can log in as this user, or if I want to, I can log in as this user. So this is working fine, and I have separated these 2 functions. So the member login function will work for the members, and the user login function will work for the user. And this is the command that is shortened now. So let's write git status. So this is login.go file that is modified. So what I will write git add git commit m modified the login file, git push origin master. Alright, so now it is done. Let's go to the this repository proctl 62 modified the login file. Alright, so this is how it will work. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.